So this is what my Sur Ron sounds like right now. In this video, I'll be making the Sur Ron as loud as I possibly can, and I can explain why in one simple word. Because I can. I'll also be throwing on another upgrade that I got 2 of, which means there will be another giveaway in this video, so keep watching to see how you can enter. Good luck. Let's go. Oh my god, I forgot to take the cover off. Okay, so here's what we got. In order to make the bike louder, I've got the GritShift primary chain conversion kit. Not only does this make the bike louder, which is probably the last reason anybody would buy this, I guess it's just me. This is really intended for off-roaders. The primary belt tends to go bad off-road when pebbles and dirt get in there. But GritShift also offers the standard primary belt replacement, which I'm definitely going to keep as a spare. And then this, I'm not even going to say what it is. You're going to have to see what it is. And there's the second one, which I'm giving away. Let's go.
It's supposed to be. It's good to be able to. But that was good. Yeah.
5,000 I'd be happy with.
I don't think what it was.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, but that's what
Prototype stand.
No. It wasn't even tight.
Make
Yeah, you didn't push it hard enough, dude. Look at it. Let's just go ahead and make this as hard as possible. Lose all the pieces. Yeah.
I've never taken the swing arm off like that. There goes the primary drivetrain. Wow, I'm impressed.
Ta-da! Looks exactly the same. Go!
I did not realize we had to take off the shock, the entire rear swing arm, and the motor. Just to get the primary chain on. This is much more involved than I was expecting. Double the chain, double the noise. Am I right, Domo?
You're looking to make a appearance.
Yeah, I want to turn heads. Huh?
Just mute me.
Let's go! Okay, the chain is installed. That was a little more work than I was expecting, but hopefully it's worth it. Let's check it out. Oh my god. Wait, no way. No way. No way. That is stupid loud. Oh my god, that's like loud. That's actually loud. There's a certain point where it's the loudest, like halfway up the curve. Right there, right there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So we got the full chain drive versus the full belt drive. Let's give it a sound check. That's actually almost deafening.
My
I feel like my ears are ringing a little bit. Okay, here we go. Test ride, test ride. Even just rolling it, it's louder. Oh, that's already too loud. Oh my god! Listen to it whine!
I don't think it's supposed to sound that fucking loud. It's also dry as a bone.
No, that's a problem. That's too much. I can't even hear myself over it. The smell of chain lube. Let's give it another try. What do you say? Honestly, if anything, it resonates even more. It's even louder.
That's not much different.
That thing, I mean, mission accomplished. I feel accomplished, but I also feel like I can't leave it like that. Okay, now for the second mod of this video. I wish I had a bigger knife for this. Like I said, I've got 2 of these, which means I'm doing a giveaway with the other one. Let me show you what we're looking at here. Surronster. This is out from Thrill Seekers in San Diego. They make the best seat covers in the game. And they're now doing Surron seats. Look at this. You can customize all the colors. I went with just the murdered out black, with the surronster on the side. So I've got 2 of these. Check the description for the giveaway details. Bang. Okay, it's the next day. I've got the GritShift primary chain installed, trying to make this bike as loud as possible. And I've got the Thrill Seeker seat cover. It's a beautiful Saturday. I'm gonna get some exercise in, hit the pull-up bars. I'm gonna take the Sur there. Let's see how loud it is. Oh my god. This is definitely the loudest Sur Ron I've ever seen. And at high speeds, it actually doesn't sound terrible. It's just kind of a lot of chain noise, as opposed to one of those nice, rich engine noises. Oh my god, this thing is a beast! This thing is super grippy, huge upgrade from stock. I am doing a giveaway with a second seat cover, just like the one you see there. If you'd like a chance to win, check the description. Good luck. Stay tuned!
Yeah.